ఒకసారి ఒక ఫుల్ అని తీసుకున్నా చూడండి సిరీస్ ఫుల్ తీసుకున్నా ఫుల్ ఒకసారి
Yes, look here.
Side. Straight ball. Hey, Babu, तब कमा? क्या करना अक्सर? अरे नहीं करो
June in GMR Arena close to the airport, so that all the manufacturers from all over India only, right, or all over the world? India, all over India. So manufacturers from all over the world are invited here to exhibit their jewelry, diamonds, kundans, whatever kind of jewelry you have. Come and participate and make this show bigger. All the best.
తెలంగాణతోనే చాలా మంది మాకు ఫోన్ చేసినారు సార్, చాలా మంచి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఉన్నది, తెలంగాణ ఫస్ట్ సార్ వస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు, మీరు సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి తెలంగాణ వాళ్ళు అంటే సరే ఓకే వచ్చినారు. మా సత్యసాయి సార్ వచ్చారు, చాలా డీసెంట్, जितने इतने मिलनसार है। मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलूँगा कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कि इतना मिलनसार कि पूरा तेलंगाना के लोगों के दुकानों के दिल जीत लिए हैं। ये किधर भी गए तो इतना बड़ा పోయినా అనుకోండి పక్కా ఆ షోరూమ్ ఒక షాప్ పక్క పెట్టారు కంపల్సరీ. వాళ్ళ మాటలంతా అంతా ఉన్నది, ఎప్పుడు కూడా చెప్తే ఎస్ సార్ వస్తున్నా సార్. చాలా మంచి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ చాలా మంచిగా అయింది. నేను ఇప్పుడు కూడా మీకు మాట ఇస్తున్నాం, మేము అందరు తెలంగాణ వాళ్ళతో మా దగ్గర సిటీలో ఎంత ఎగ్జిబిషన్ మేము అందరు కలిసి మీకు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాం. తప్పకుండా మీ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ग्रेट एग्जीबिशन అవుతుంది. आपको मैं एक गारंटी देता हूँ कि आपका जो सेकंड एग्जीबिशन है वो नाम ही 4 चांद लग जाएंगे उस एग्जीबिशन में। बहुत स्टॉल लगने वाले हैं और काफ़ी लोग हमारे जो यहाँ के जो होलसेल वाले हैं वो भी बोले कि नहीं हम नए लिए, हम भी लिए इनके अंदर। तो मैं सबको यही बोलता हूँ कि कभी भी कोई भी चीज़ आन दो, एक कंपटीशन कभी भी ये आने के बाद अपने तेलंगाना के अंदर बहुत सारे शोरूम लगे हैं, बहुत डेवलप हुआ है तेलंगाना के अंदर शोरूम। आप अगर 10 साल के नीचे करीमनगर, महबूबनगर, वारंगल आप देखेंगे तो क्या था, और आज देखो आप कितने बड़े बड़े शोरूम लगे से। मैं चैतन्य साहब को, मनोज साहब को एक गारंटी देता हूं कि आपके ऐसे आपके एग्जीबिशन को पूरा कोशिश 100% आपको इस सपोर्ट करेंगे। पूरे ज्वेलरी यहाँ तक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में नहीं, यहाँ के लोकल का भी हम लोग सब मिलके एक ही है, हम पूरा सपोर्ट आपको देंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको।
Grand success for the second largest Hyderabad International Exhibition, where all organizations who are supporting, we congratulate them. It is a very good platform where B2B business people can have direct introductory with the manufacturer.
मैं पॉट मार्केट ज्वेलर्स एसोसिएशन सेक्रेटरी सुरेश चंद जैन आप सभी ज्वेलरी व्यवसाय से जुड़े समस्त भारतवर्ष के ज्वेलर से अनुरोध करता हूं कि हैदराबाद इंटरनेशनल ज्वेलरी शो GMR एयर एंड नियर हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट में दिनांक 21, 22 और 23 जून को होने जा रहा है। यह एक्सपो में समस्त भारतवर्ष के ज्वेलर्स इसमें भाग लेंगे। सभी ज्वेलरी व्यवसाय से जुड़े व्यापारियों से हम अनुरोध करते हैं कि आप इस ज्वेलरी एक्सपो में भाग लें और अपने अपने प्रतिष्ठान की प्रतिभा समस्त भारतवर्ष में दिखाएं। इस B2B ज्वेलरी एक्सपो में पूरे भारतवर्ष के ज्वेलर जो इसमें अनकट ज्वेलरी, टर्की ज्वेलरी, कुंदन ज्वेलरी, जड़ाऊ ज्वेलरी, विक्टोरियन ज्वेलरी और मानक मोती हीरे के स्टॉल इसमें रहेंगे। मार्केट की डिमांड के हिसाब से इस कंपटीशन जमाने में आप सभी को अगर व्यवसाय से जुड़ना है तो ऐसे एक्सपो में आपको भाग लेना है, ऐसा हम आप सभी से अनुरोध करते हैं। और विशेषकर अपने प्रतिष्ठान के युवाओं को, जो आपके इस युवा जो ज्वेलरी के व्यवसाय से जुड़े हैं, उन सभी को इसमें जोड़ना है। सभी ज्वेलरी व्यवसाय से कहता हूं कि लास्ट ईयर भी ये ज्वेलरी का जो एक्सपो हुआ था वह बहुत ही नई ऊंचाइयों पे पहुंचा था। विशेषकर मनोज साहब एवं हमारे साई भैया जो हमारे संपर्क में आए, बहुत ही पोलाइटली सभी व्यापारियों को अपने घर के जैसे व्यवहार के साथ उन्होंने यह एक्सपो लास्ट ईयर भी लगाया था। इस साल यह एक्सपो हैदराबाद GMR एरन नियर हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट पे होने जा रहा है। सभी व्यापारी इसमें भाग लें और भाग लेने से अपने व्यवसाय को नई ऊंचाई पर पहुंचाएं। इसी आशाओं के साथ आपको शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूं। क्षमा चाहता हूं, मुझे तेलुगु कम आती है।
International Jewelry Show. This is the second time organized in Hyderabad on 21st, 22nd, 23 June 24 at GMR Arena. I request all of the jewelers to take advantage of this platform, and very much the needs are being solved here. I appreciate the show. You will be go very well last time and to this time also. I congratulate all the exhibitors involved in this. Thank you. Good evening.
Jewelry show. It is the second edition in Hyderabad, and it's organized by United Exhibition. So United Exhibition is doing a tremendous job in the industry. Where previously they were doing exhibition in Chennai and Vijayawada. We were there. We were the exhibitor over there also. And this is the second time when they are doing exhibition in Hyderabad. So last time exhibition was a grand success, and we were the exhibitor over there. We had a very good business over. This is a exhibition actually because it was about to happen in the month of May, but because of election and there are technical issues, we have changed the date. Now it is 21st, 22 and 23rd of June, and this is the first time the exhibition is going at GMR Arena. They have strategically picked up the point because so many visitors are coming from the various places of the, not from Hyderabad, because all over India the exhibitors and visitors are coming. So it is just near to the airport, so it is a very good location. This exhibition, because so many exhibitors, not an exhibitors of Hyderabad, but from the Chennai, from the Mumbai, from the Amritsar and all over the India, the exhibitors are participating. This exhibition, the machinery section is also there. So all the customer, all the retailer showroom wants from the exhibition is all here. So I wish all the very best to the United Exhibition team for a grand success, and the second show will go on.
So that's why we are exhibiting here as a jewelry innovation partner with United. So yeah, we hope to launch a lot of lightweight collection in view of the rising gold prices, and we wish a lot of retailers turn up and wish you grand success. Thank you.
For Hyderabad International Jewelry Show. and all my media friends. Thank you very much for being here. After the overwhelming response last year, HAJS, during May 2023, and we are here in 2024 during 21st, 22nd and 23rd June at one of the best apt venue for the B2B shows. So when we selected venue, we spoke to a lot of industry leaders. So they all said for a B2B show, because this is an exclusive B2B show. B2B show means where all the manufacturers from across India are participating and the retailers will be visiting the show. Only the trade-related retailer, jewelry people will be visiting the show. So for that, everyone appreciated about this venue called the GMR Arena, which is very near to the airport, which is very convenient to all the exhibitors also to reach around with their merchandise. So that is the one point. See, apart from this jewelry exhibition, jeweler manufacturers are participating. There are a lot of other things also in this exhibition. That is, there is a very knowledgeable seminar happening related to this jewelry industry. There is a Kohinoor Jewelry Award where we recognize all the prominent jewelers from across Telangana with the help of all the associations. We going to definitely state them. And like this, there is a separate machinery and allied product pavilions. And Hyderabad, especially Telangana, is becoming a major jewelry manufacturing hub. And we are very happy to be here. This is the biggest gateway for South India. And we are really proud to say that it has got all the infrastructure, whether it is a good convention center for any exhibitions or a good, the enough 5-star hotels and reachability from across the places, all over the places from South India, and it has got one of the best airport. The reachability is very easy, so the most of the participants now, last year we did with 530 stalls, now this time it's around 700 stalls, and we are expecting more than 400 participants to participate in this exhibition. So please note this day.